I wonder if people outside of New York will appreciate this as much, because he's not even smiling. He's just smirking. Hey everyone, today on Taste Test, we are trying dollar store food. That's right, food that you can buy at the dollar store. Hey, Gabriella. What, you love you love
I just love the dollar store
food?
so much.
You do?
My father owned a 99-cent store.
Okay.
We literally did most of our shopping there as kids.
Yeah, I've never really eaten from the dollar store.
Any expectations? Any ideas?
Well,
of what
I
we might
do
be
feel
tasting?
like the dollar store has some pretty high quality things for a bargain.
Cheese crackers. I'm assuming some sort of like Cheez-It knockoff. I'm assuming there's gonna be like a lot of knockoffs.
Yeah, like not name brand, which I'm okay with.
Like Cocoa Schmuffs, or like Feerios, or like, I don't know, Wheez-Its. Something, like stuff like that. That's what I'm assuming we're gonna be trying. Let's get
started!
But before we get started, make sure you all subscribe to Food Network right down here. Ready?
Luncheon.
Oh no! Did I do something wrong? And it says classic Luncheon Loaf. Like, what's the new Luncheon Loaf?
Shall we try these sandwiches?
Sure. So the only part of this that's from the dollar store is the luncheon meat.
So it's made with chicken, pork, and baked ham seasoning, smoke flavor added. That's the thing that's the description they put on dog food.
It's okay.
It's okay. My meat is sweating.
It's very squishy.
Yep.
It almost has like a bologna kind of flavor.
Oh gosh, and when there are air bubbles, that's when you know it's not good.
It looks like a tongue.
I'm not offended by there being like 3-4 different kinds of meats going on in there. What does bother me more is the texture.
Dollar store or not, this luncheon loaf is just bad all in all. Like you could buy this even
Right.
not at the dollar store and
Right.
it would be bad.
The classic Luncheon Loaf.
No offense, dollar store.
Not a
This is
winner.
not your fault.
Oh,
I love flan!
Let's dig in.
Okay, wait, first. Let's do a little.
Oh yeah. Oh,
Wait.
There you go.
Ooh, it doesn't really shake as much as I would.
Probably not a good sign.
Come on.
I mean, it looks pretty good. Having made flan before, have you ever made flan?
No.
It's pretty tricky. Having said that though, this looks like it's the perfect
Yeah.
texture.
I don't like the texture.
If I didn't know it was from a dollar store, I'd be like, okay, it's just kind of not great flan.
I feel like flan should be like a little bit softer and smoother.
I agree with you.
Okay.
This should be much smoother.
Yeah.
It should have like this velvety consistency, and there should be no grit at all.
As a Cuban,
Yes. Oh
you've
boy.
probably eaten a lot of flan in your life.
Not a ton.
Not a
I
ton?
don't want to
Okay.
speak for the whole Cuban
that's-
population here, but I can definitely say that this is not my grandmother's flan.
Sophia.
Ruffle! Okay, Sophia.
Is it real truffle, dude? No.
It's probably
I'm-
not real truffle. Look, the whole idea of like 99-cent things, it's supposed to be like an aspirational kind of
Right.
experience. It's not the real experience.
Right.
You just have to know that when you're shopping there.
For all I know, you could have put this in Trader Joe's and I would have believed you. It smells great.
It does smell like truffle.
Oh man, I already love the shape of the noodles.
Oh, it's really salty.
Yeah, I only taste salt.
Totally.
It doesn't taste anything like it smells.
It's a Friday night. You just got in 2 a.m. in the morning on Saturday. This is what you want to eat. I mean,
It's not what I want to eat, but it's what I'll have to eat.
Okay, this on a slice of pizza is amazing.
If you're gonna truffle, you need to like get ready to ball out and just like shave the fresh truffles on top.
Okay, is this like chicken tikka masala mix or something?
It looks masala-y, tomato.
No, it's cottage cheese and creamy tomato gravy. So is this just the mix for, no, there's actual cheese in it.
I love Indian food.
So do I.
So I hope the dollar store can live up to my expectations.
Indian food, famously cheap. Famously affordable. You definitely want to cut corners when it comes to Indian food.
Wait, you're joking, right?
100%.
Okay.
Okay, first of all, I don't like cottage cheese.
Hello, that's what I was gonna say. I do not like cottage cheese at all.
And it makes me uncomfortable. Like if this was a mix powder, I'd be like, okay, I get it. And then you get the cottage cheese elsewhere. but this comes with cottage cheese.
Right.
In a bag that is not refrigerated.
I mean, paneer is usually pretty thick, so they're sort of at least aesthetically matching it.
Okay, wow. So these are gonna be cheese cube? Paneer? No, yeah.
Cottage cheese cubes.
Okay, here we go.
Not bad. The sauce is good.
That's the best one of the bunch so far. There's a lot of spice.
Woo, I just got it.
I think of all the things we've tried so far, this is my favorite.
I like it. I really like it. The cottage cheese reminds me of tofu.
How do you feel?
I thought that the cubes were tofu. Like if nobody would have told me that it was cottage cheese, I would have been like, oh, tofu.
Yeah.
Honestly, put this over a bowl of steamed white rice.
I want some basmati or some kind of rice.
I was just thinking white rice.
And
yes.
like you could have just told me it was takeout.
Yeah.
Pretty good. The curry, the masala-y thing going on really works.
Ribeye in a pouch.
Boneless beef ribeye steak, mechanically tenderized.
A little bit marbling there. Got a little bit of fat in there, probably pretty juicy. It cuts like butter, which is exactly what you want from a dollar steak.
That was really tender, actually.
Oh, that was really not bad.
Okay, here's my theory on this.
Yeah.
I feel like if I like sliced this really thin and like took out some of the fat, it would make a really good like steak and egg like burrito, like with some salsa.
Yeah.
I'd have to put this with some frozen vegetables from the dollar store, and I have to put it with some other kind of frozen things and some little packet of soy sauce and make like a stir fry with like $1, packet of spaghetti noodles and like throw together a stir fry. That would make this really bomb.
Well, that was really interesting. How'd you feel, Zach?
I feel like I got a decent amount of food for $5.
Totally. I love bargain shopping, so I may check out the dollar store for some groceries.
Now that we've tried 5 different foods from the dollar store, how do you feel about them?
I'm feeling quite hopeful, Maggie.
Okay.
I'm hopeful. I'm hopeful because hopefully the American people will be a little bit more aware that they could turn these 99-cent store ingredients into meals at home.
Well, that was interesting. Definitely a new way of eating dinner. But if you like this video and you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and comment below what you want to see us try next time on Taste Test. See you guys later.